In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the gold 0 point sprite here in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you will either need to find one or you can get one from another player, but the regular 0 point sprite, which we made a video on earlier, is super rare, and the golden 0 point sprite is actually even harder to find. But before you do anything, obviously make sure you don't pay for it. There's going to be a lot of people out there that are going to be trying to scam, and there's no guarantee that they'll actually give it to you, so never pay for anything. The main way to get it, though, is by getting it through sharing or trading. If another player already has it, they can load into a match with you, drop it, and let you pick it up. Once you have it in your inventory, use a portable extractor, go to an extraction site as fast as possible so you don't lose it. After extracting it, the sprite will be added to your collection. You can also craft it or share it with other players, but this does require a large amount of sprite dust, around 15,000. If you want to hunt for it for yourself, the best chance is by, participating in events where gold sprites or mythic sprites have increased spawn rates. You could also check Fortnite communities, Discord servers, or live streams where players are helping each other get the sprite. But the main methods are finding it from sprite sources, getting it from another player, extracting it safely, and of course never paying anyone who claims that they can give it to you. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.